Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In my previous video, I explained how to set up an environment to install Angular in Windows. If you have missed the video, link is given in the description. Do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. We will talk about very popular framework called Angular. In this video, we will explore what Angular is, its uses and its benefit. We will also dive into how Angular is applied in real time applications. So, let's get started. First, what is Angular? Angular is a TypeScript based framework developed by Google. It is primarily used for creating single page applications. The first version of Angular, known as AngularJS, was launched in 2010. However, in 2016, it was completely redesigned and rebranded as Angular. Angular's main goal is to provide developers with a framework that helps create modern, fast, and interactive web applications. Number two, uses of Angular. Let's discuss where Angular is used. Number one, dynamic web applications. For example, e-commerce websites. Number two, single page applications like apps that work without refreshing the page. Number third, progressive web applications. These feel like mobile apps. Number four, enterprise applications. Angular used in the large organization for managing data. Number five, real time applications. Using Angular, we can create real time applications like chat applications or live tracking system. Angular is widely used because it is scalable, modular, and suitable for large scale projects. Now come to benefits of Angular. Here are some key benefits of Angular. Number one, two-way data binding. Angular provides functionality for two-way data binding to synchronize data between UI and the backend seamlessly. Number two, its component-based architecture breaks applications into smaller and manageable parts. Next, dependency injection, which makes Angular easy to integrate and reuse the code. Next, we have cross-platform development. Means we have one code base for web, desktop, and for the mobile. Next, high performance. Its EOT compiler speed up application. Next, strong community support. Angular has strong community support because it is backed by Google and the vibrant developer community. Next, Angular in real-time applications. Now let's talk about how Angular is used in real-time applications. So using the Angular, we can create live chat applications with the WebSocket integration, which is the perfect for real-time chat. Second, we can create online gaming platforms that are ideal for live score updates and user interactions. Number third, tracking applications, for example, GPS based tracking system. Number four, real time dashboards to display live data updates effectively. Angular speed and data binding features make it an excellent choice for these applications. So, friends, this was a brief introduction to Angular. We learned what Angular is, its uses, benefits, and how it is applied in the real time applications. I hope you enjoyed this video. So please give it a like and share it with your friends. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. If you have any question or suggestions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thank you and see you in the next video.